So we live in the first phase of Verde Village in Ashland, Oregon, and it's a cottage community, so the houses range from about 1,000 square feet up to about 1,500 square feet. They're all Earth Advantage Platinum certified. Verde Village is the first net zero energy ready certified development in the state of Oregon. Our house is not very big, it's just a little over 1,000 square feet. These homes in Verde Village were designed to be super energy efficient already, so I don't think we've paid an electric bill since last summer, and we actually just recently received a $150 credit on our Ashland utility bill as well. So from a cost standpoint, it's been terrific. Working with True South Solar was great. Communication was excellent. We had no problems. They were super helpful in handling all the paperwork, the details in terms of refunds and rebates and how to get our money from the state and from the city, and it was just a really smooth and very pleasurable experience. I'd absolutely recommend working with True South Solar. I think they really have their customer service down pat. They've been a tremendous business to work with. The interesting thing about solar is that you don't even really know that it's there. It's really not what you experience, but what you don't experience, like what you don't see on your bill every month.